Buddy, you having fun on the washing machine? Is that an airplane? He's feeling much better today, y'all. He's back to his normal self. Oh, he's so silly. Here's a good boy. Here's a good boy. Stop biting. So hello, everybody. He's funny because the washing machine spins and he likes it. I don't know. He's just one rare, unusual cat. I'm a good boy, and I love my mama, and I like to bite mama. Be nice. Oh, he's giving me a bath. Okay. Say hello to everyone. Yes. Say hey, DB, if you're watching. Say hey, DB. Say hey, Rhonda. Alright, y'all. That's enough buddy time. Gonna let him enjoy his washing machine experience. He happens to love it. Alright, have a good day. Say bye. Say bye, everybody.